Well, हम 106.2 FM, your hottest Auckland's only Hindi film radio panel. Good evening, folks.
A very good evening. 6:07 हो चुके हैं एंड इंतजार की घड़ियां खत्म हो चुकी है बिकॉज हमारे साथ शामिल हो चुके हैं मंच म्यूजिक एंड निंदी कौर. फर्स्ट लेडी ऑफ भंगड़ा निंदी कौर शुरू से इनकी फैन रही है, इनके सॉन्ग्स के बहुत बड़े फैन है यहाँ पर. एंड डेविड पॉश बेकहम ऑफ कनाडा के नाम से जाने भी जाते हैं मंच म्यूजिक. 8वीं के टाइम से हम इन्हें सुनते आए हैं. सो ये हमारे साथ यहाँ पे शामिल हो चुके हैं.
Hello, Nindi and Manj. How are you?
Hi guys, how are you?
I love the intro.
Yeah, the introduction बहुत बढ़िया लगा. It's really nice.
जी, डेविड पॉश बेकहम ऑफ कनाडा कितना लगा? मतलब हमेशा से सुनते आए हैं आप लोगों को, सो इट्स एन एक्चुअली में ऑनर है आपसे बात करना.
Yes, I think listeners they actually know that this is happening, and this is happening on this Saturday. Nindi Kaur, Manj Music, Raftari guys will be performing International Bollywood Music Festival के तहत at Logan Campbell Center. Now, tell me about you guys. Is this your first tour?
Yes, this is actually our first tour. It's the first tour. We're coming out to New Zealand. I mean, we've been to New Zealand once before. It was a more private event, but we didn't get to go on sightseeing or anything like this. So this time is our first actual commercial show, public show. So we're really looking forward to it.
So you guys are in Australia right now, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So how are you loving the Aussies out there?
The Aussies.
We're looking for the kangaroos. We haven't found them yet.
Yeah, well, one thing I bet the Kiwis are better. Anyways,
yeah. We've heard the Kiwis are a lot more. They're party animals, so we can't wait to get down there.
Yeah, I know. And as far as the listeners are concerned, they're very, very excited because, we have been listening to you, Manj, and to you, Nindi, and also Raftar. And we have been actually waiting for this day. This is actually happening, and it's like a dream come true for many of us. So tell us about you guys, your tour in New Zealand, in Auckland. What can the viewers and what can the listeners, what can the people of New Zealand, especially the people of Auckland, expect on the day?
They're going to expect the unexpected.
Yeah, boom, dhamaka, explosions and everything. Not real.
Make sure they've got their dancing shoes on. We don't want anybody sitting or standing. We want them all to dance.
That's one thing we really pride ourselves with is we love interaction with the crowd. So expect lots of interaction with the crowd. It's going to be really, really exciting.
एंड हमारे पास डेली यहाँ पे रिक्वेस्ट बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स की आती है, स्पेशली निंदी कौर योर बोलियां. सो यू हैव दिस डिजिटल बोलियां एंड गिद्दा बोलियां. एक नया फ्लेवर, बहुत ही नई एनर्जी के साथ ये नए म्यूजिक के ऊपर आपने ये बोलियां की है. सो उसका फ्लेवर भी मिलेगा यहाँ पर.
Yeah, definitely. मैंने बहुत शौक है पंजाबी च गाना. Even though I'm British born, मैंने जिद्दां पंजाबी बोली है, ठेठ पंजाबी आंदी है, and I'm very proud of it. So Boliyan and anything in Punjabi is my priority. So I can't wait to do all the Boliyan. Like you said, the digital Boliyan and the Boliyan from Alu Chaat, I'll be performing both of them.
Okay. So how this name, First Lady of Bhangra, ये tag आपको कैसे मिला?
मैंने ये नहीं पता ये टैग मैंने की नहीं दिता. मैंने ये पता फिर मैं पंजाबी गाने गाए यार. I think it's a tag you guys have given me.
I think it is a tag that the fans gave.
Yeah,
really.
Exactly. Because of the energy.
I feel very honored. Yeah, I feel very honored.
Yes. And Manch Music, well, RDB का टाइम से आपको हमेशा से हम सुनते आए हैं. एंड दोनों भाइयों के साथ मिलके आपने जो एल्बम्स निकाली है हमेशा से, एंड बिग फैन बेस है आपका यहाँ पे. सो बॉलीवुड में आपका एक्टिंग एंड मोर म्यूजिक के बारे में अभी इंटरेस्ट है?
Acting, now I've had offer 2-3 मिले थे in Punjabi movies as well as some Bollywood ones. But I think I'm really basing everything on my music right now, really concentrating on music. Because I personally still feel, both me, Nindi and Raftar, we still feel we've not achieved what we want to achieve yet. We're only this is the beginning. And, it's something that we've been doing for a while, but we have so much more to give to the fans. We have so much more.
Yeah, as a rapper, singer, songwriter, and music producer, what do you think sets you apart from all the others?
I think just open mind, because a lot of producers, a lot of singers, a lot of people do. They kind of go with one song and ye chal gaya, then theek hai, bas yahi banana. From now on, we're just going to make nothing but this style of music. And I think with me, it's even as when we was RDB, we always wanted to make something different. And one song we finish, if it did well, we try a different song, but it'd be completely different. So even now, me, Nindi, Raftaar, we're always trying to just experiment.
Yeah, well, I think these days, even songs when you guys sing, just like the one recently released, Mar Gaye, Manj Music, Nindi, you, and also with Raftaar. I think the three of you are now regarded as a team, and well, if you guys will be making more albums or singing more songs, can we expect something like this where we will hear a bit of all three of you?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Sure.
100%.
More than a team, I think we're family. And when we just sit together, we just come up with ideas and jam. So, yeah, definitely expect more.
Yeah.
Okay, कोई ऐसा आर्टिस्ट आपके ड्रीम आर्टिस्ट है या फिर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर जिसके साथ आप काम करना चाहेंगे? Any artist?
Artist. Indian artist or anyone in the world, English?
Anyone out there. Who inspires you guys?
We would have loved to work with Michael Jackson. Unfortunately, he's not here. But I think a Punjabi Michael Jackson song would have been the biggest song in the world, I think, for sure.
So, what's your short-term plan and probably the long-term plan as singers, rappers, and songwriter, music producer, both of you guys?
I think short-term plan is just keep making music and just keep delivering what we can.
And long-term plan is go with the flow.
Go with the flow, yeah. I mean, nobody knows what's next and what's coming up in the future.
We've never really pre-planned anything.
Yeah, I think we just sit in the studio, we jam, kuch na kuch nawa nikalta hai, and we think, okay, let's put it out, let's see what happens.
Yeah. So, one thing that inspires me a lot about Manj and Nindi, both of you, is like, your journey actually started on your own. You guys started your journey, your musical career on your own, and in the middle, in the pathway, you guys met each other, and you guys are married now. And one thing that both of you guys love the most, which is music, you're still holding on to it, and that really inspires me, because I've seen once when people get committed, they actually, one or the other tends to sacrifice things for each other. But over here, I think you guys have gone much more stronger.
Yeah, no, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm sure Nindi sacrificed a lot more for me than I've sacrificed for her, though. That's for a fact. But I think, you know what? I think a musical journey together as a couple is something that we've always wanted to do. Because Nindi's always been a big fan of music, even when she didn't sing and she didn't even know that she could sing, and I brought her into the scene. It was something that we wanted to do together. We knew we was going to be touring, we knew we was going to be traveling, and what better way for our relationship to grow than to grow together?
Yes, and आप फ्यूचर में देख सकते हैं आपके बेटे के साथ, अनूप के साथ कोई ऐसी एल्बम या फिर उनके साथ कोई सॉन्ग?
Absolutely, 100%. Nindi will explain to you what we have planned.
Yeah, Anoop actually does have a new song coming out, his new single. We've shot half of the video, and we're planning maybe we might shoot the other half in Auckland.
Yes, wow. We're actually thinking that Anoop is with us, so we were thinking of shooting the other half of the video in Auckland with the Kiwis, and maybe make something a little bit different, because nobody's ever shot a full music video in Auckland. So we was thinking, let's do something with Anoop. Anoop's here as well. You want to say hi, Anoop?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Anoop.
Hello.
Anoop, आप कोई सॉन्ग गाना चाहते हैं, कोई लाइन गाना चाहते हैं अपनी फेवरेट सॉन्ग की?
Sing a favorite line of any of your songs.
Of any song.
I think he's going to spend too much time thinking. You should have pre-told us.
Yeah. So now he's going to pull his iPad out and go through all the videos and work out which one he's going to sing.
Yeah. No, I think it's really great that whatever you guys are doing, and Manj Music, Nindi Kaur, it's an honor for us to host you guys here, International Bollywood Music Festival. I think that's the standard. The standard has been set. AIMS Global Immigration, the Fun Master, together with Bollywood Affair and Hum 106.2 FM. We are proud to be associated with an event of such caliber, where we will see one of the finest from Bollywood to come and perform here live in Auckland, and this is happening, folks. If you haven't bought your tickets, you have to go and buy your tickets now, www.bollywoodaffair.com. But then, before I let you guys go, what do you have to say to the crowd of Auckland? What do you have to say to all the listeners out there, starting from Manj and then Nindi, and also Anup, if you would want to add something, because I think you are an inspiration to a lot of the youngsters who know about you.
Exactly.
Thank you. Well, I would like to say we can't wait to perform for the Kiwis, and we really thank everybody for supporting us. We thank everyone for supporting the music, and
Without the fans, we wouldn't be where we are today.
100%. Thank you to the promoters for bringing us out to New Zealand and the sponsors. Nupi, who do you want to thank?
Everybody.
Okay.
Everybody.
All right, yeah, it was nice talking to you guys, and I wish you all the best for the upcoming event, Manj and Nindi, and we are very excited to meet you guys in person, and hopefully when you guys arrive in Auckland, there's going to be a grand, welcome for you guys, and we can't just wait for the night.
Excellent. We can't wait.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this was Manj Music, Nindi Kaur, and we will be speaking to Raftar as well, and also we got to hear Anup, and this all happened on Yo Hottest, the hottest drive show during 6 at 6. तो जबकि उनके बारे में हम बातें कर रहे थे, सैंडी,
नंबर 6 पे ये सॉन्ग है मंच म्यूजिक, निंदी कौर एंड
Music.
And this is Nindi Kaur.
And you're listening to the hottest drive show.
Evan Sandy.